Good afternoon. This is Temitayo Murakin. I'm here to present on the ideology of MMM. The ideology of MMM is to create a just society whereby money will be made available to people that really need the money at no interest rates. People can live their life peacefully without any burden of debt on their neck because presently virtually everybody owes the bank a debt at exorbitant interest rates. In MMM, system is basically about people lending help to each other without any collateral or interest rate. Somebody that has money to be rendered help to someone in need, and in the later day when he also needs money, he will get helped. It is all about people helping people with free will donations. You give financial help when you are able to do so, and you can ask for financial help when you need it. MMM creates a fair and honest financial peace for its community. It is also a channel of global relations and empowerment scheme to change the world. How does MMM work? As an individual, you show interest to join the voluntary community by registering with your details and you become a participant. Once you are a participant, an online office will be opened for you called Personal Office PO. In your PO, there are two major tabs: provide help and get help. At first, you show willingness and readiness to provide help to someone on a particular day by specifying the amount. System will scan through the community and you will be matched with someone that needs the help. On the first day you showed interest to provide help, your marble has started growing at the rate of 1% per day, and the status of marble is confirmed when the color is red. Once you make payment, you upload the evidence of payment and the match participants confirm it. By the time the status of the marble change from frozen to confirmed and the color is blue. After 14 days, the status is confirmed and the color change to green. The marble can then be cashed out at any time from day 14. Anytime the participant intends to cash out his or her marble after 14 days, he shows interest and the system match you with other participants to pay the money to your account. And until the money reflects in your bank account, you need to log in and confirm the receipt of the money after he has uploaded proof of payment. Rules of MMM: you are expected to participate with your spare money. 2. Do not open multiple accounts. 3. When your order is created, do not delay in making payment. 4. When you make payment, ensure you upload the proof of payment. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting it. Else, when you decide to GA, it should be delayed for 14 days. When you are matched, do not click on the "I refuse to make payment" button for more than once a month, else you will be blocked. Do not fail to confirm your payment after you receive payment, else you will be blocked. After getting help, remember to write your letter of happiness. Benefit of MMM: there is a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donations. 2. There is registration bonus after you register and make your first donation. The participant can receive a bonus in the amount of $20 if the donation is from $50 to $499, $50 if the donation is from $500 to $2,999. You get $1,100 if you donate more than $3,000. Another bonus you have is referral bonus. You get 10% from all donations of the participants you invited. Another bonus is managers bonus. Managers of the MMM community are leaders of the community. They get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader, whose ranks is higher than him. Managers bonus vary depending on the level in the structure. Managers bonus: 5% from first level participant donations, 3% second level, 1% the third level, 0.5% the fourth level, 0.25% the fifth level, 0.1% the sixth level, 0.05% the seventh level, 0.03% the eighth level, 0.01% the next level. Thank you for listening. I implore you to join us now and let us learn and together. God bless you. MMM Peace.